According to the internet, you can eat a loaf of bread, one of these sandwich breads, in 45 seconds. So we're going to try it out. We're going to see if it's possible or if the internet's right and it's not possible. So here we go. Go.
Nothing to disqualify Hagel. Panetta made it clear some time ago he wanted to leave the administration soon after the second inauguration on January 20th. In America right now, 4 people are dead.
You have 20 seconds.
In Colorado. It began around 3 o'clock this morning at a home in Aurora.
25 seconds in.
SWAT team members tried to negotiate with the suspect, but after 6 hours, police killed the gunman after he
15 seconds.
opened fire on them from the second-story window of a home.
Come on, look at the time.
Police found 3 bodies, all believed to be related to the gunman.
41, 42, 3, 4. Nope.